Hi guys, so I wanted to do a quick sort of video to explain inbox dollars and send earnings. They're run by the same company, but basically you get money for taking surveys or doing cash offers that are free. So inbox dollars has an app, send earnings doesn't, but you can add like a bookmark to your home screen. But inbox dollars is this. The links are going to be above the description. Well, they're going to be in the description box. These are my current earnings so far. This time around, this $6.84 will be my third time cashing out once I reach 30, because you have to reach 30 to request a payment. See, you get referrals for cash offers. When you first sign up, you get $5 if you use my link. You get it for coupons too, and cash apps. So if you go to their mobile site, you can see like paid email gets you 2 cents. Cash offers, you can do the free ones. It's easier to do them though on a laptop. Again, links will be in the description. Send earnings, I already had loaded up. I'll try to load it again. Okay. Same thing. Same exact thing. It's really hard, like doing this through another screen. But since this is the mobile version of it, since there is no app, you can click the apps section just by going to like sendearnings.com or inboxdollars.com and logging in. You get paid for apps that you'll download. Like if you download the Walgreens app, it's 13 cents and so on. But you need $30 to cash out. Right, currently as I'm making this video, I'm at $25.88, and this will be my first time cashing out with this, because you can redo your cash offers and things that you've already done on inbox dollars. You can redo them for send earnings. So if you guys need any help or would like to sign up, you get a $5 bonus for inbox dollars signing up with my link, and a $5 bonus for send earnings for signing up. So you get $5 each site, and it's $30 to cash out on both.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brian. I'm really excited today because this survey that I'm about to share with you actually pays you $100 for your time, okay? Per survey, which is unbelievable. I'm always looking for real legitimate surveys. Okay, so listen, time right now is very valuable. As long as you're seeing this here, this timer, and it's up and running, that means that this company by the name of Vindale Research right over here is actually going to be paying you. So it says here, earn up to $100 per survey. This is unbelievable. Everyone knows me as a survey guy. I'm always doing research. What are the best surveys? Do they actually pay? Are they legit? Because I always hear people making money with surveys. And this company actually paid me $100. Now, what you need to do in order to get that $100 is obviously you got to get access right here. You're going to put in your email. It's going to redirect you to another page like this. Through this link, this is how you're going to get the special promotion, okay? So it's very important that you follow the steps that I'm telling you. After you do that, you're going to fill out all the information on the next page, so that way they see that you're a real person, you actually exist, and you can review their products. Then they're going to pay you $100, and they actually paid me through PayPal. So I'm actually going to log in here and show you proof that they actually paid me $100. And this is really, really cool. Again, this promotion is not everywhere. And as you can see there, available balance $100. Now this is my account, as you can see here, Brian. This is my profile right here, and they're actually paying $100. So make sure you go through all those steps. As long as this timer is up and running, guess what? They're still handing out that promotion. So go ahead, get going, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.